Hey guys, Nick Joseph from Code Red Defense. Question we got is, Nick, how do I stay aware during an attack? Now, this is actually really hard because when you're engaged, and I'm talking not before the fight, during a fight. Again, I go back to my experience of working in the clubs. I remember I'm clinched with the guy and I'm trying to throw him out. But here's the hard part, is that I'm focused on him, his hands, his movements, but more importantly, as I'm either fighting him, I also have to be looking at what's going around, what's happening around me. I might go into tunnel one-on-one with him, but his friend's gonna come around and sucker punch me, stab me, hit me. So in your training, when you do scenarios or when you're doing any type of training, if you're like grappling and you're fighting, work on as well on moving your head, keeping your eye and your vision all around, and as well practice to be listening at the same time. If the guy says, go get him, go get the gun, shoot him, beat him, hit him, his friend's jumping in, get the bottle, you gotta be aware of what you can see and what you can hear, even though you're just engaged with him, with your attacker. Now, if you're fighting him at the same time, you gotta be looking at his hands. Is he reaching for a knife? Is he trying to get to something? Is he trying to create distance and space? Is he trying to angle off, again, to reach a knife? I was looking at a video on YouTube, and as they're fighting, the guy reaches for a knife, pulls it out and stabs him. He was completely unaware that he was so focused on trying to strike the guy that he wasn't focused at all on the movement of him going to reach the knife. And they're fighting and he's really trying to reach that knife in the middle of the fight. You got to be able to pick that up. So you got to focus on your attacker, his hands, his movements, the distance. You got to be able to see what's happening around, as well as listening what's happening around, and if he's making signals, if anybody's jumping in. Because you could be a great one-on-one fighter and be able to knock and take this guy out. But if you don't hear that guy coming from behind running, and maybe him saying, get the bat or hit him from behind, well, before you know it, you're going to get sucker punched. But guys, if you want to learn more self-defense, we have a video on just awareness, verbal defense and awareness. Go check those out. We have drills and exercises that you can train at home to actually heighten those, because just like you're learning how to throw a proper strike, you also need to train those, train your awareness through different drills. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.